Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Reshab, and in today's video I'm going to show you a powerful integration using Blue Yonder WMS and Python. A couple of years back I came across a Python module called MOCA Nexion. This module was developed by Nicholas Sway. It is designed to connect directly with MOCA services in Blue Yonder WMS. If you search for MOCA Nexion online, you'll find a documentation page. But honestly, it does not explain much. So I explored further and found the GitHub repository. That's where the real value is. If you want to understand how this module works internally, I strongly recommend going through that code. Now let's talk about how MOCA Nexion actually works. If you scroll down this GitHub page below, you will see a basic snippet, how the parameters are being passed, right? So in Blue Yonder WMS, we usually connect using three things: the MOCA service URL, the MOCA user ID, and the MOCA password. These three are mandatory. Once you pass them, the connection is established. There are a few optional parameters, but we don't need them for now. Now let me switch to VS Code and show you a quick demo. Here I have imported the required libraries. I am passing the service URL, the MOCA username, and the password. I am not hard coding credential. Instead, I am storing them as environment variables, and the Python program reads them securely from there. This is the recommended and the safe approach, because we don't want our user credential to be available just like that. Once the connection is ready, we can execute any MOCA command by passing it as a string. For this demo, I'm using a simple publish statement. Now let me run this. And as you can see, the connection is successful and we have received a response. Now let's understand the output. The response comes back as a pandas data frame. If you're new to pandas, just think of it like as an Excel sheet: rows, columns, header, that's it. Normal table kind of stuff, or Excel sheet. Okay, that's it. And panda itself is a huge topic, but that's not focus for our today. And our focus is just fetching WMS data using Python. Now here's the interesting part. You're not limited to just MOCA commands. You can also execute SQL queries using MOCA SQL syntax, and the output will still come back in the same data frame format, right? So you don't have to worry that you can only just run MOCA commands. No, you can run simple SQL statements as well. I can show you an example. If I simply just pass select sysdate, this should give me the data. Let me run it, and I see the data, right? Now this is where it becomes really powerful, right? Because you can send the MOCA command or the SQL, so you can create basically custom report. And since this code runs outside the BYWMS application, you can use it for automation jobs, custom reporting, centralized dashboards, pulling the data from multiple WMS instances, right? So there is like a number of opportunity you can come across, and this opens the door to serious automation, guys. Okay. Now, if you have worked with MOCA before, you already know how the command like publish works, so this should feel familiar. Now, I encourage you to experiment with MOCA Nexion in your organization. Go through the GitHub code and understand the flow and try building something useful. And now, if you have some question, drop them in the comments. I'll try my best to answer them. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and share your feedback in the comments. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.